My name is TK Tunches, and today we're gonna learn how to make resin earrings. This is a project that I'm super excited about. They're dried flowers placed inside of resin, and they have half moon pieces and some little posts that we're gonna put onto them. We're gonna start by opening our resin. I'm specifically using the Michaels brand UV Resin Craft Creations. This mold is awesome because the parts that are sticking out are where your jump rings are gonna go. And so I think this design for this mold is brilliant because, drilling those holes, you can totally do it in resin, but if you don't have to, it just makes your life so much easier. And what I do is I fill it halfway up, and once all the resin is poured, you're gonna start filling it in with these little dried flowers. And this is where this tool comes in so handy because it has these two sides to it. So we're just placing them in however you want to put them. They're gonna look so pretty no matter what you do with them. This is the UV light that we're using. It takes 15 minutes in the sunlight and it takes 30 seconds in the UV. If it hasn't dried all the way, what I would recommend is that you turn on the light again and run it one more time. So now we're gonna do our second layer. So I actually overfill just a tiny, tiny bit because the resin does shrink as it hardens. And I'm doing my light again. And the way that I demold it is kind of like by popping it out. And then the hole is already there. So this is the hole that you're gonna use to put the jump ring in to add the next part of your earring. To finish off this design, we're using these tops, which I got at Michaels. I'm using the larger jump ring right now. I think it's important actually in jewelry making to use a larger jump ring and to make sure that your jump ring fits your piece so that it hangs easily, because you want to make sure that you're not making a project that's too stiff. And then I'm going to add a top to it. And this top, I'm going to use the smaller jump ring for because I don't think I need that much. I'm closing the jump ring right now for the top one, and we're about to be able to finish our first set of earrings. They're so fun to make, and honestly, like every part of this project is super simple. So it's like you're gonna wanna adorn yourself every day.